Hi, I am Rishikesh. In this video, we are going to discuss about problems of arithmetic progression based like this. So the question is, write an AP whose first term is 10 and the common difference is 5. So what he gave is, the first term of the AP is 10. So A1 is equal to 10 and common difference, that is D, is equal to 3. So we have to write an AP, but they didn't give how many terms of the AP. So it is okay if we write 3 or 4 terms and leave it like that. So first term they gave it as 10 and common difference is 3. So we have to add. So 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. 16 plus 3 is 19 and it goes on. So that is the required AP. So this one is done, and the next one is write an AP having 4 as the first term and minus 3 as the common difference. So they gave first term as 4 and the common difference as minus 3. So now the AP will be 4 and the next term is 4 plus minus 3, which is 4 minus 3, which is 1. So 1. And next one, 1 plus minus 3, which is 1 minus 3 is equal to minus 2. So next one is minus 2. And next one is minus 2 plus minus 3. Minus 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 5. So next term is minus 5 and it goes on. So this is the required AP. Now we will go to the next sum. It is write an AP whose first term and common difference are minus 1.25 and minus 0.25 respectively. So they gave the first term as minus 1.25 and common difference D as minus 0.25. And now we have to write the AP. So the first term is minus 1.25 and next term minus 1.25 plus minus 0.25. Always remember in an AP we have to add the common difference to get the next term, not subtracting it. So minus 1.25 minus 0.25 is it is 1. So minus 1 and next term is minus 1 plus minus 0.25. Minus 1 minus 0.25 is minus 1.00 minus 1 0.25, it's minus 0.75 and the next term will be minus 0.50 and it goes on. So this is the required AP. Minus 1.25, minus 1, minus 0.75, minus 0.50 and it goes on. So these are the problems. These are type of problems in which the first term of the AP is given and the common difference too, and we have to find the AP. In the next video we will solve different types of problems. Thank you.